Welcome to this tutorial video. The goal of this video is to show the setup and use of event template scheduling. Event template scheduling allows users to set up custom communication events using workflow event templates to schedule them to be sent out before or after the booking takes place or at a specific time, which can be triggered when the action takes place. The scheduling saves time and allows the patient to complete forms before they visit the practice and surveys after they have been sent to the practice. This also ensures that communication from the practice is automated. In this video, we will be discussing the implementation and use of the event template scheduling. Event template scheduling consists out of two parts. Part 1 is the setup of event template scheduling, and Part 2 is the use of booking events which has been set up. For more information on how to set up booking event templates, please refer to the booking event setup user manual linked in this video's description. For more information on how to set up a booking type, please refer to the booking type setup user manual linked in this video's description. Also, for more information on workflow event templates, please refer to the workflow event templates user manual linked in this video's description. Let's go over part 2, using booking events. From the diary screen, make a booking for a patient on the diary. For an extensive explanation on how to make a booking, please refer to the Book Existing Patient user manual linked in this video's description. When a booking has been made, the booking event templates that have been set up will go automatically to the data of patient for who the booking was made on the scheduled date and time. Let us show the user how to see what communication has been sent out to the data of patient. From the diary screen, click on the navigation wheel. Click on a communication segment. Click on the Admin Event History tab. All the communication information will display on the Admin Event History screen. For more extensive explanation on how to check whether communication was sent successfully, please refer to the SMS, email, notebook history, admin user manual linked in this video's description.